We have abandoned nature and now nature is abandoning us. Climate change coupled with COVID-19 has pushed people to stay longer indoors, which is severely affecting human lives. Indoor air pollution is 2 to 5 times more contagious than outdoor air pollution. But taking nature back to our indoors will save us. EcoWall is a frame of various panels having indoor plants to extract carbon dioxide content, remove harmful airborne matters and other carcinogenic substances to give us back purified air, rich in oxygen, which makes a healthy, fresh, and productive environment. A single mechanical EcoWall is enough for the whole building via a single, HVAC system, thus producing fewer carbon footprints, ultimately, less pollution indoor and outdoor. We are eco-nuts, and we all are together in this common cause to combat the climate change crisis, with the help of nature.